Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Iraq's economic and currency transformation. A groundbreaking moment. The Iraqi economy is witnessing a pivotal development, with reports suggesting immense pressure on Iraq to revalue its currency. This push comes from international entities, particularly the United States, which is playing a decisive role. According to reliable sources, Iraq's central bank and the government, led by Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, have been given a clear ultimatum: revalue the Iraqi dinar or face serious repercussions. Urgent actions required. High-level meetings involving Iraq's financial authorities, currency exchange officials, and contractors have emphasized that inaction is not an option. The consequences of not acting could include revocation of licenses and exclusion from the global financial system. Prime Minister Sudani has committed to resolving the currency crisis by the year's end, marking a constitutional obligation as Iraq's budget must be finalized before the start of the new fiscal year. Failure to meet this deadline could have severe political and economic consequences. U.S. Treasury's role in Iraq's economic reforms discussions between Iraq's leadership and the U.S. Treasury have catalyzed significant changes in Iraq's approach to financial policies. A key decision emerging from these talks is Iraq's plan to overhaul its currency system. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is preparing to shift the dinar from its peg to the US dollar to a basket of regional currencies supported by oil and gold reserves. This strategy represents a major evolution in Iraq's economic outlook. Diversifying currency reserves. As part of this shift, Iraq plans to incorporate the Saudi riyal and Jordanian dinar into its currency basket. By anchoring the dinar to these currencies, Iraq aims to establish a more stable monetary framework. This transition reduces dependency on the fluctuating US dollar and strengthens ties with neighboring countries such as Saudi Arabia and Jordan. Additionally, Iraq is expanding foreign transfer capabilities, allowing trade with Turkey in euros, further diversifying its economic partnerships. A broader vision for economic stability. Iraq's efforts are not limited to currency reforms, but are part of a larger vision to reshape its economy. By minimizing reliance on the US dollar, the country aims to foster stronger economic resilience. The inclusion of regional currencies and leveraging vast oil and gold reserves provide a solid foundation for long-term economic stability. Oil, being a globally traded commodity, ensures consistent value backing for the dinar, while gold offers additional protection against market uncertainties. These assets play a central role in Iraq's strategy to attract foreign investments and stabilize its financial system. Banking modernization. The Central Bank of Iraq has been focused on modernizing the nation's banking infrastructure. By adopting global best practices, Iraq is aligning its financial sector with international standards. Upgrades include the introduction of advanced electronic banking systems and establishing direct links with foreign correspondent banks. These initiatives streamline operations, enhance investor confidence, and strengthen Iraq's position in international markets. In a significant move, Iraqi banks now support transactions in currencies like the Saudi riyal, Jordanian dinar, Chinese yuan, and Indian rupee, reducing reliance on the dollar. This diversification enhances Iraq's capacity to engage in global trade and attract investment. Implications for investors. For investors, these developments indicate a potential turning point for the Iraqi dinar. Diversifying currency reserves and moving away from the dollar could increase the dinar's appeal internationally. While short-term fluctuations in value may occur during the transition, the long-term outlook appears promising. By anchoring the dinar to a stable currency basket and utilizing its oil and gold reserves, Iraq is paving the way for sustainable growth. Leadership driving change. Prime Minister Sudani's leadership has been pivotal in advancing these reforms. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, he has pledged to resolve the currency issue by year's end. This commitment demonstrates the government's determination to tackle Iraq's economic challenges. The collaboration between the central bank, government officials, and international partners underscores the unified effort required for these reforms to succeed. Challenges on the horizon. Despite the optimism, the proposed changes are not without challenges. Transitioning to a diversified currency basket and unpegging the dinar from the dollar demands meticulous planning and execution. Ensuring stability during this shift is critical to maintaining investor confidence.